Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I have taken some trades that I want to explain to you. So watch this video till the end. First, I will explain this trade because this is a very beautiful trade. Understand the volume present in this candle is a high value. That means sellers fight in this candle, lower side and upper side. Very good. And they increase their own value. This is a seller's value. Right? So sellers are strong in this candle. So who is weak now? Buyers are weak. These weak buyers entered little bit upper side. As this is a very small sellers, we can't judge this fight is a good fight or not that good fight. We just read this fight as little bit entered upper side. But we know more we go upward, sellers become stronger. So from this point, sellers entered till this point. They cross this buyer's entry point also. That means sellers are showing they are strong. But from this point, buyers rejected and volume is high. That means here in this candle, sellers are again strong with high volume. Right? So in next candle, what happened? You see buyers entered only little bit. As buyers are very much active in this candle. Okay. They can fight at here upper side also. But you see very less entry from the buyer side, right? Because already sellers are strong. That's why buyers are not fighting that much. Like this, we can think. Okay, but here you see from this point, sellers entered, sellers making a decent body. This body is not a weak body. That means what? Sellers are again strong because they are making a decent body. That's why sellers are strong. If if sellers are strong, they are making a decent body, then understand why buyers are fighting. Compare this week and this week. It is still a good fight. And compare this week with this body also. You get to know that this is a good fight comparing to this body and this week. That means here in this candle, sellers' volume is not weak. Here buyers are trying because sellers are going down. They are entering in buyer's area. That's why here buyers are actually trying to increase their own value. That's why I have taken put trades. Okay, understand why buyers are fighting. Here buyers are unable to fight because sellers are strong with high volume in this candle. But you understand in this candle also buyers are trying. They can try here upper side also, but they fail. If buyers failed to fight upper side, they fight from the lower side, from their area. You see, they may sellers make a lower low, but from this point, buyers fight very good. That's why I have taken good trades. Another great trade I want to explain you is that here understand this is a high value. This candle has a high value. So I can say that from this point, buyers increase their own value. Right. So after if buyers are increasing, entering in the market by increasing high value from this point, and here you see both sides sellers are fighting very good, almost equal, but they are unable to increase their value. Right? In this candle, understand this candle has actually a less value, means low value. So from this point, buyers entered, buyers made a decent body, and upper side you see sellers gave a rejection. You see, rejection means what? There must be a decrease in body. And you see from this body to this body, body is decreased by this seller's fight, this seller's rejection. And this is a low value. Here it is showing a high value, but actually here it is a low value. Here it is a low value. That means this is a seller's room. And sellers rejected the hidden high volume buyers present in this candle. They decrease the body and decrease the volume. That's why here next candle is a red candle. But understand, initially I told you the sellers cross these high volume buyers, right? And I know from this point sellers are strong because they decrease buyers body and value. This is the low value already I mentioned. So from here you see little bit buyers enter. Why? Because already sellers are strong in this candle. That's why little bit buyers enter is there. But from this point, sellers entered. Sellers cross these high volume buyers room because previously buyers entered from here. But as sellers cross the buyers room, we can expect buyers entry because they broke this area. They broke this point, buyers point. But you still see there is no fight from the buyers at all. That means whole area from here to here is of sellers with low value. That's why I have taken call option trades. So this is a pure logical. Many people, many persons message me. They wants to understand standard abnormal. See, standard and abnormal works, but you have to go with story making like here. Otherwise, many people will tell like that here buyers are fighting equally and here buyers are fighting. It is a standard fight, low volume. They go for put option also. That's why you don't have to look at just one candle and decide whether it is a standard fight or abnormal fight. You have to look you have to look like previous 3 to 4 candles. What's happening in there? How buyers and sellers interacting with each other. Like this, we have to understand and then we have to think which type of fight is this, either to decrease or increase. Then you have to decide and take the trades. Okay. So I hope this is pure a logical explanation. So I hope you can understand by watching this video. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.